Hello my dear viewers, let's create a very simple daisy shape which is usable for all kinds of different designs. You could also use it as a ring top or as a pendant. Start with a clean slate, an empty viewport. Hit 7 for top view, Shift A, create mesh, circle, and on the left side menu set the vertex amount to around 12. Tab for edit mode, hit G, Y and 1. Usually shapes in Blender are spawned with a radius of 1. The circle should therefore move 1 unit along the y-axis and now sits here. Then hit G, X and -1, so it moves -1 unit in the X direction. Now back to object mode, create an empty with Shift A and empty, plain axis, or any object really. I just choose an empty because it's not visible in any render and we just use it as a helper object here. Select the circle, create an array and choose object offset with the empty as the target object. Also set the object count to 6. Now rotate the empty around Z. Type in 360 divided by 6 under rotation Z. Right now, if we go to edit mode, the original circle is still a separate object from the array objects. Therefore, in object mode, apply the array modifier and then switch back to edit mode. Now all circles are part of one object, but they are not yet connected as one mesh. Deselect all by hitting Alt A, hit C, and then select only the vertices of the circle parts which are overlapping in the center. For me, there were some leftovers, so I deleted those as well. Now it looks as if they are one mesh, but they are not. The vertices are not yet connected. To connect them quickly, hit A to select all, go to Mesh, Merge by Distance. Now they are one mesh again. Still in edit mode, having all selected with A, hit E, S and scale those new faces down by moving your mouse. Repeat and leave a small opening in the center. This one we will fill manually with quad faces. Select 2 verts on the outer edge of the hole and hit F 2 times. Do this for all 6 sides. Select the innermost 6 and hit F 1 last time. In this way we have some geometry to work with in case you want to bool a hole into the flower, maybe for a stone or something. Now add a Solidify modifier, give it some thickness, and a subdivision modifier as well. And in edit mode, Alt select the outer edge of vertices, then hit Shift E and 1 to crease this edge. In object mode, apply the Solidify modifier to make the thickness permanent. Tab for edit mode, hit 2 to switch to edge selection mode, and then just select all those edges in between the petals. Shift E and crease those as well. Okay, and one little bonus tip. If you'd wanted to make a ring that connects seamlessly to the flower shape and has this kind of gradual flow into the daisy shape, delete the lower part of the flower again, and then use the basic signet ring from my other video as a starting point to connect those two shapes. Instant daisy signet ring! I so much hope that this video was useful and interesting for you, and thanks for watching. As always, have fun creating!